Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome to a hunt that I've designated as Russia 1. A few weeks ago I bought a bag of low value Russian coins for around about 10 or 12 quid off eBay, and this is one of the hunts that I've made up out of that bag. The first coin that you see is a 2 rubles. It has the coat of arms of Russia, which is the crowned double-headed eagle, and the hammer and sickle as well. It has the date of 2020 on this side. This is the side with double-headed eagle. There is no mintage value for this coin. On the reverse you have the 2 kopeck, and you have a vine or flower stem coming up the side here. Okay. None of these coins have any mintage figures that I could find. The second coin, there's 2 of them, so I'll put them both into the frame at the same time. One has the Russian symbol, and it's the 2, looks like 2 wings of the eagle, and then inside they got the hammer and sickle motif. On the reverse you have the value and the year. As I said, these 2 coins are both 1990. No mintage figures. Next one, again you have the hammer and sickle motif with CCP underneath. There's no mintage figures for this coin, and this one is 2 kopeck from 1974. The next 2 coins both have the same value. You have the winged hammer and sickle in the centre of it with CCP written underneath. Then on the reverse you have the 5 kopecks, and these 2 coins are from 1991 and 1989. Neither of them has any mintage figures, which is the same for all of the coins in this hunt. These 4 coins are exactly the same value. They're 3 kopecks. They're from the years 1984, 1979, 1985 and 1991. As you can see on the obverse from this top one here and the bottom left, as you're looking, they both have the winged hammer and sickle motif, and on the back you have the 3 kopeck. And underneath the 3 kopeck you actually have the date or the year of the mintage. Excuse me. Damn asthma. Now I have 4 10 kopeck coins. They're from the years 1983, 1980, 1986 and 1990. You have the ham and sickled winged motif, and on the back you have the value and the year. I think the year's on the back. Yeah, the year's on the back of these. So there's 4 small silver 10 kopeck coins. Again, no mintage figures. The next 2 coins, which we'll put in side by side, are slightly larger. They're 20 kopecks. One's from 1961 and the other one is from 1987. Again, they have the same CCCP motif with the hammer and sickle in the wings. And then you have the 20 kopecks and the year, and these 2, as I said, were 1961 and 1987. Neither of them have any mintage figures. And last but not least, we have 4 more coins, all of the same value. Oh, sorry, 5 of the same coins, all of the same value. And they're 15 kopeck. You have the winged hammer and sickle motif with CCP underneath on the one side, and on the other side you have 15 kopeck and the year that they were minted. And the 5 years for this coin, I should have 6 of them actually. Let me just go and have another look in my box of, see if they dropped out the bag. No, I can't see them. One second, one other place to check. No. Oops, let's just get that back into focus here. No, I should have 6 of them. Seems to be one missing. But the coins that I have are 1991, 1983, 1982, 1989 and 2 from 1961. So when I find the other coin, it will be one of those dates. So I couldn't find the last one for you. Right. All it leaves me to do is thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this particular hunt, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything but a few seconds of your time. If you've enjoyed this hunt, could you please, as I said, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, could you think about doing so? I am trying to grow the channel this year, and with likes, comments and also subscriptions, it helps the algorithm that YouTube use to put my videos in front of people who haven't yet seen them. So if you could do that, I'd be very grateful, and I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes. etc. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. Now, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy in the next few days. And until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye-bye. Ta-da now, bye-bye.